Yes, Etsy family, hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm going to be absolutely real with you. If you got no pride in your store and you don't care about how it looks and you don't have any branding or anything, then do you know what? You shouldn't even be selling on Etsy. I'll be completely real with you. If you got no pride and you got no idea where you want to improve your design and your brand and your store, then maybe Etsy is not for you, right? And maybe that's the reason why you're not making that money. Because I tell you one thing, branding and having a beautiful, really nice store is absolutely crucial to be able to make that money on Etsy and also make that repeat money. People coming back again and again, you know? And it's all tied up with what it is that you sell, your niche, because having a niche down store that is very clear about what it sells is absolutely crucial today in selling on Etsy. So guys, if you love videos like this and you love selling on Etsy and you love digital products, please hit like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of these real videos in your feed, mate, in your feed. And don't forget, please join my new Etsy community. Check the link below. Fantastic. Lots of questions, answers, great interaction. Come over and check it out, mate. Listen, I said it and I called it. Listen, you got to have really strong branding. You've got to niche down. It's not about the general stores anymore. People don't want general. People want these kind of, specific niche down stores where people, Etsy, everyone knows what you're about, right? It's about clarity. It's about the Etsy algorithm understanding you, pushing you out on those places because they know that you're that kind of seller. Now, let me give you a few different examples what I'm talking about, man, because I could talk till I'm blue in the face, man, but let me show you because it's all about showing you. Now, let me go to a few stores, right? I'm going to go to this one. This one sells wall art and various things. Well, wall art is what they sell, printable wall art, right? They are focused on printable wall art. And what I really like about it is they have the name which reflects what they do. Lexington Prints. It's what they do. They do some fantastic stuff, by the way. I really love their work. So big up Lexington Prints for real. But what I'm saying is they have this beautiful, you go into their store. Oh la la. It's just telling you, look, you're just scrolling down. Similar style. You know what it is. You know what you're getting. Clarity, beauty. It's all there, man. It's all there. Vintage. You got that flavor. You know what it's about as you go down and scrolling down. It doesn't lie. It's telling you what it is. It's straightforward. It's clarity. It's beautiful. It's there. Look, even the banner. You just got the just feel nice. Nice. And that's what you want to do. I don't want to look at a store that is just like a jumble sale. That's just got some random designs, all sorts. No. I want to know what you is, man. I want to know what you is. Let Etsy algorithm wants to know what you is, what you are, man. They want to know. So what are you? Selling wall art, your print. That's what you are. I'm going to push you out there in the Etsy algorithm, man. Because I know you. I understand you. And that's how you get more sales anyway. Because look, when somebody likes something, let's say they're buying a wall art, they're going to want more. And they're going to come back to you because they bought from you. But if you're a random general seller selling, I don't know, socks, and you're selling wall art and you're selling crochets and all kinds because you're jumping around. Don't jump around, man. Don't jump around. This is not the age for jump around. There's millions and millions and millions of sellers out there. The ones that are going to stand out are the ones that are focused. They're dominating their little niche. They love it. They're ready for quality. They're making this work looking beautiful, amazing. Now you can do this branding for your niche, your store, in anything, obviously, but you need to make it reflect what you sell. So a prime example of that, this is a different type of store, right? Actually, no, sorry. This again is selling wall art, but obviously they got their own style to it, right? Or name, own style. But when you go down to the listings, you know it's them. And what I mean by that is their listings are all similar in style, in layout, design, colors, hues, whatever, saturation levels. It's all levels. It's all there. You know what you're getting, you can recognize. Because when you go down listings, again, if you can recognize a store and you've respected a store you bought from it, your eyes are going to gravitate to it. First, so if you've bought from someone and they do random different designs all the time, you're not even going to recognize it. Etsy won't even like it. You know, nobody, it's not the way. It's not the way to get more sales. Look at this. I'm going to go clip arts, right? So let's say I go to clip arts and I go to this one, right? Let me go to this. It's a bestseller. They sell really well, good clip arts. And look, I can see that these two are kind of, they look there as a similar style to them. But look, this one's a bestseller, boom. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go to the store. Look at that. This is the store for this one. Actually, no, where is it? Right? It's called Whimsical Art Graphics. Okay, I like the name. Good ratings. And coming down, look. See, I love this. I recognize you. Look, every single listing has a similar style. You got the watercolor images around it, and you got the name clearly in the middle. It's look, it's telling you, I am this store. I exist. This is how I look. Know me, recognize me. My clip arts are like this. Come and see me. Come visit me. You know me, right? With a nice name that reflects and connects to what they're selling. Actually telling you in the name, you know, whimsical art graphics. Underneath it's telling you it's watercolor clip arts, and that's what they sell. Watercolor clip arts. So you want everything to be connected. Saying what you sell, selling what you say. Nice banner, nice design, reflecting what you actually, the font, look at the font style, the whimsical art font style that they've written their name in is actually the same font style that they write with all their listings and their bundles through the middle, right? It's all connected. Your branding, your store has to be connected in your niche, right? It's all part of the whole story, right? And then obviously you need to make sure you do all your other important parts of your store, guys. There's so many little bits to that. All the information, the contact, all of that. Remember, every single part of your store that you need to do, your about page, right? Your about pages. You know, people don't do the about page. They don't do it properly. They don't explain. They don't talk there. They say nothing. You know, like if you don't care about your store, why would the customer care, right? They would not care. I'm telling you, they would not care. They would come across your store and think, "Oh, what's going on here? Oh, let's move on." Right? They might even like a design or a listing, but then they're not going to buy any more. Right? So it's absolutely crucial. You do every part of your store. Make sure that you get your designs right, your branding, your name. Make sure the name somehow reflects what you sell. You know, in some way. I mean, the name doesn't have to reflect what you sell. But just think of a name that sort of matches, that works well with what you sell, works nicely with what you sell, you know? Don't use a name that has no bearing and no connection at all with what you're selling, because that makes no sense. So, you know, try to choose that carefully. Try to look at your designs, make sure that they all match. They have a certain style that are similar. I believe that is definitely the way forward, because that does work. And a lot of niche down stores sell really well because they go into it, they have clear branding, clear designs, clear font styles, clear name, lots of information on the store, also connects really well with what they're selling. Again, all of this, you know, the about page, Etsy algorithm, don't forget all that AI stuff. It's extracting that information from your store and helping you to understand where you are in the whole bubble of Etsy, right? Knowing where you are, understanding that you're in that clip art store box. It knows where you are. So all your listings are able to kind of connect to your store well. Don't underestimate the power of branding, guys, and the power of making sure that your store reflects and connects with your listings really well, with the designs of your listings really well. Like I said, with the font styles, the name, and all of that information that you're including in your store. Absolutely crucial, guys. I'm telling you now. So yeah, go away. If you haven't done your branding properly, you haven't done your store properly, you haven't finished it, you haven't done your shop policies, you haven't done your about page, come on, man. Go ahead and do it. Go and do it now. At least do something useful. All right? I'll see you in the next video. Take care, man. Take care.